so angry. I'm so angry. My sister said my address out. Just my sister. Which sister has to be so? Well, like, wow. All I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to keep it quiet. Like, should I make this earliners? First of all, I don't know what's wrong with the side text. Okay, I just had to close my door because I didn't want y'all to get disturbed by my sister. No, most girls are going to hate that when they hear me. Yeah. I definitely will learn this. I have to eat that.
to Flight Deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Not these ones.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
I keep finding these things in Babe, you can barely even see the writing. Stop lag, I hate this new update. I don't know.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.
I don't like
Flight
it.
attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
I mean, you want something. If you don't want anything, then that's fine, but like, you have to eat something. Saucy.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
Okay, you don't need to say air traffic control. You just have to say, we're expecting some turbulence. I feel like that if you have severe turbulence, I feel like the lights should go out. Who's gonna eat a roll of bread? Just straight plain bread? Who
This is
eats
your
that?
captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Let me take your life. Your life. Trash.
the cabin for arrival.
Better be a smooth landing. Considering they are infantry pilots. To say the connection with Vietnam has shown the experience, but now it says your family at college. I kind of forgot that this they kind of made the game kind of less. They made the game look so cool, but now everyone stop standing up. Oh, when I gotta open all these overhead. No one's getting out of this airplane till all the curtains are open and